Hey, what is up, guys? It is Michael here, back at it again with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be talking about the 10 best websites you should follow on the daily if you're into the entrepreneur niche. You're looking for those deals. These websites show you those deals each and every day. I have a couple websites that I like to follow that helps with your mindset, spirituality, your stocks, your overall financial well-being, and just a bunch of everyday stuff that you guys might want to follow. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys on my desktop through screen record these websites that I follow on the daily. Like I said earlier, I keep these websites open in a tab on my cell phone so I can, just scroll through it whenever I have free time throughout the day, especially when I'm at work. It's all I do at work. So check it out, guys. Let me know what you guys think. All right, guys. So first website is thecrazycouponlady.com. I like to check this out on the daily because they have deals. So as you can see, you kind of gotta scroll down. Like ice cream, everybody loves ice cream. $1, that's a steal right there. Obviously there's gonna be a bunch of deals. So there's a lady that actually runs this blog. Sometimes there's some really good deals that I buy. And if you're into like the reselling, the retail arbitrage, if you drop ship on Amazon, or if you resell on eBay or on Facebook or Craigslist, all of that, you can, buy these things. Like, look at this, $24.99 at Walmart. It's normally $39.99. Let's check this out. Yeah, it's a pretty good deal. So that's one website. She updates this every single day. And you can see how long ago it was. So let's go to the next website. Next website I follow is the Points Guy. If you haven't heard about this website, the founder of this website is this guy right here, Brian Kelly. So pretty much if you are in the credit card game, you must follow this website. And if you're not in the credit card game, this is definitely a great way to get into the credit card game. I recommend, if you're not in the credit card game, you should jump on the credit card game ASAP. Credit is important. So they write about different blogs. Pretty much anything about points, travel, what are the best credit cards, some credit card hacks. I think a couple days ago they wrote an article, if I can find it, $99 trips to Hawaii. So I'm actually gonna try to schedule a trip back home. I looked at it. It was about $199 round trip. So right here, $187 round trip. That's a freaking steal, and that's coming from like the west coast of the United States. So from San Fran to Hawaii, it's gonna be $187. And dude, you guys gotta definitely check out this website. So next website I follow on the daily is Doctor of Credit. This is pretty much the best deals of the day on the internet, regarding, if you want to go shopping online, airlines, credit deals, Amazon deals. Yeah. Swag Bucks. If you guys don't know what swag bucks are, you guys should definitely look into swag bucks. It's pretty much free money. I think I'll make a video on swag bucks a little bit later. So the next website I follow is the hustlermoneyblog.com. This is kind of like the doctor of credit. The author, he writes about, the best deals of the day and stuff, whether it be credit, buying stuff online, a bunch of that stuff, as you guys can see. So on Reddit, if you guys don't have Reddit, you guys should definitely get Reddit. There's like so many good info online. So this Reddit is the financial independence subreddit. There's like over 700,000 people in this group, and I swear I learned so many financial hacks on this. You guys definitely got to check this out. freestufffinder.com. So I guess this is the owner right over here. So I usually check out the latest free stuff. She updates this on the daily, so I usually, get some free samples. Check all of that out. Buy one Wendy's Baconator, get one for $1. Sounds super delicious. So I check out the latest free stuff, latest free samples. Or that's the same thing. I meant latest online deals. For those of you that want to do retail arbitrage, which is pretty much buying something from one website that is a little bit cheaper, and then you sell it on another website for a little bit more profit, so you can make some of that money, as you can see. I also follow Seeking Alpha if you guys are into the stock market, which I definitely recommend you guys to get into the stock market if you're not. Perfect place to learn about what's currently happening in the market. I might actually make another video on stocks. Show you guys some stock market hacks. Another blog I like to follow is Making Sense of Sense. So the owner, Michelle, she's an awesome writer. She's a multi-millionaire. I believe she makes 6 figures a month just off of her blog. I love reading her blog so much. You guys should definitely check this blog out. I check out this website too, and then it's kind of a newer website that I've been looking at, but zenhabits.net, pretty much just to kind of get my mind right. Sometimes it's hard to be positive, and once you hear like bad things happening on the news and stuff, so this kind of keeps me sane, I guess. You guys definitely want to check this out. I'm kind of going back through their old blogs, reading up on stuff. And last but not least is projectlifemastery.com. You guys probably, if you guys are into YouTube, you guys definitely heard of Stephen James. This guy's a genius. I aspire to be like him one day. But he brings out so much good content on different things, whether it be, health, wealth, fitness, online marketing. This guy's a genius. And that's about it. You guys should check these blogs. Save it on your phone so you guys can check it on the daily instead of, scrolling through social media all the time. And that is about it for this video. I hope you guys found value. Please, if you guys found value, subscribe to the channel. Maybe leave a comment on if you have any other blogs that you guys follow, which I really want to open my mind into more blogs that definitely provides great value But yeah, I'll be back at it again with another video. Peace, y'all.